Greetings one and all. Welcome back to my kitchen here today, where I'm on a day off, you little beauty. So a bit later on today, I'm planning to play a bit of music, maybe have a quiet beer. As soon as I thought I'd have a quiet beer, I thought I'd really like something nice, a beer snack to go with it. And I'm not making this up, I really did think that. So I thought, well, I may as well make a video of what I'm going to make. And I'm going to make a snack called Rempah, which is aka Indonesian coconut and beef meatballs. So, and they're fried. Let's get on with making them. So, yeah, first thing I've got in here is I've just got 500 grams of minced or ground beef, and that's good beef. Now I've got a fair bit of dried coconut here, desiccated coconut. That's about 200 grams, and I've got here 6 tablespoons of water, and I'm just going to tip that in to my desiccated coconut and just reconstitute it a little bit. And just give it a minute or two just to soak that water up. So it's still reasonably dry. It's just a little bit moist now. So we'll put that in with our beef. I've got a teaspoon and a half of dried ground coriander powder. 1 teaspoon of ground coriander powder. Got a teaspoon of chili powder. Teaspoon of dried ground ginger. I've got here 2 tablespoons of fried onions. And I brought those in a shop, and do your own if you want to. Yeah, that's what they look like. They're just in a little plastic thing like that. Now, what else have I got? I've got here about a teaspoon block of Bellichin, which is that dried Indonesian style shrimp paste. I'm just going to crumble that in a bit. Stinks to high heaven, but it'll be great when we cook it. I've got a tablespoon of tamarind puree, and that goes. Alright, last addition now is I've just got 2 eggs, which I've just lightly whisked up, and that goes. Alrighty. Now obviously I'm just going to thoroughly mix that all up. I'll get on with that and I'll get back to you. Alrighty, so I've got my Rempah mixture all mixed up there. So to make these into a nice little snack for this afternoon, I'm going to just make them into small balls. So just, yeah, approximately take about that much. Shape them into roughly a ball. I'm not getting too worried about it. Push them in a bit, and put them up. So yeah, that's how they look. They're quite pale from all that coconut, as you can imagine. Now I'm going to do all these now, and then I am going to put them in the fridge for about an hour or so, just to help set them a bit, let that flavour amalgamate a bit more before I get to cooking it. Alrighty guys, so I've got my Rempah balls out of the fridge, ready to go. Like I said, I just had them in there for about an hour. Now I'm just going to do this. I've heated up some just some vegetable oil, And obviously I've got about 24 of these little balls, but I'll do them in a few batches, and then drain them on the kitchen paper. All right, let's get to it. Alrighty guys, so I've plated up some of my Rempahs, otherwise known as coconut, Indonesian coconut and beef meatballs. Now, I just want to start, before I taste it, I just want to give you a caveat. If you're cooking these and you follow that recipe I did, they are very, very, very delicate in the cooking. I highly recommend, I learnt the hard way, when you put them in the hot oil, just leave them sit there, and when you do have to turn them, just gently give them a nudge over. They're very prone to breaking apart. I lost a couple early on in the piece before I learnt my lesson, and even now, when they're fully cooked, they're still really delicate, so just be careful. So there's one up close. So I can hold it and everything, it's not totally falling to bits, but yeah, despite the 2 eggs, you just got to be careful, that's all. And I've just served it with a bit of peanut sauce there, but I'm just going to try it without the sauce first. No, they're delicate in nature, and they're yummy and delicate in flavour as well. There's a lot of yummy sweet coconut flavour in that. You can taste those spices. Man, that's a good beer snack. Now I'm going to try it with a bit of my sauce. And whack her in. Man, that's really yummy. That's really different than anything you've probably tasted before, unless you've had this dish before. It's nothing like sort of Italian meatballs or regular meatballs or Middle Eastern mince dishes. It's totally unique, and I really hope you give it a try. As I say, just take care while you're cooking them. Alrighty guys, thanks for watching. Thanks to those who've subscribed to the channel. You guys are absolutely awesome, and if you haven't subscribed yet, can I just ask that you hit that subscription button? Subscriptions, as per usual, are moving forward at a glacial pace. It's the best way I can put it, and that's no worries at all. And I will see you all next time. Bye.